In front of me is INFINIX Hot 30i, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner. To add an audio file, click on Files section and look for your file by clicking on Audio at the top of Recent Files, selecting one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Wherever you decided, after finding your file, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner to add it. If you want to add a video one, click on Gallery section instead of Files one. If your video is recent, click on it right away and decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video. Then hit Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, you need to tap on Folders and look for it the same way as an audio file. The only difference is you need to tap on Videos at the top. Then hold your video and click Select at the top right corner. Then pick one of those options again, but this time select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!